Ayun. Tapos yan, naisip ko yung gift yan sa'yo, blush on. Kasi syempre, madalas maputla. Ganun. Kaya gamitin mo lang yan everyday.
Thank you. Next is Miss Maria Sofia Malaca. Our delegate used to call her Ate Pia because she was like a true big sister for her. She keeps on reminding her of how she should take care of herself and always there for her whenever Maria considered her loss.
Ganon. So, ganon ate talaga. Pares lang naman tayo ng edad, diba? So, open mo na yung gift ko. Sorry. I-open mo na. Yes. It's a bag. Bag kasi, wala lang. Kasi bag-aholic ako eh. May lock sa bag. So, pag umarangka tayo, naman dapat gumagala, ayan, gamitin mo. So, pag may exams or konti lang yung dala mo sa school, pwede mo magamit yan. Malaki siya actually sa loob. So, di ba nagtanong ako sa FB, kung anong favorite color mo? Kasi yung pink, hindi maganda yung combination nila sa bag. So, yellow talaga yung kinuha ko. Maganda siya. So, gamitin mo pag magkasama tayo. Hahanapin ko yan. I love you. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Next is Miss Bianca Nicole Downs. Miss Bianca is one of the closest friends that our delegate had when she was still studying at Blessed Elena Academy.
Ayun, happy birthday. So, parang kilala ko sa'yo ay Dre. Kasi, well, dalaga ka na. So, ano, so dress, parang dalaga talaga. Ayun, thank you sa friendship. Thank you sa pag-invite kita.
Thank you. Next is Miss Stephanie Joy Dolot and Miss Leia Mel Bejosano. They requested to be called at the same. Give her best.
Happy birthday, Ariel! Oh my gosh, 18 ka na. Tanda mo na, pero mas matanda ko sa'yo. So, ito yung gift namin sa'yo. So, since pag napasok tayo sa national, yan lagi yung tinitignan mo. Kaya yung naisip namin na bigay sa'yo.
Yung wish namin sa'yo, sana maging successful ka, maging CPA ka, tapos makagraduate tayo on time. Tapos, sana maging responsible ka na. Seryoso na tayo ngayon. De joke, sana stay pretty ka, like me.
Yan na nga. Same.
Okay, thank you so much, girls. Now may I call Miss Isa Jane Hamay. Or you have
Ate, happy birthday. Sana magustuhan mo yung books na regalo namin sa'yo. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Next is Miss Marta Allen Juanillo. Si Sir Yao sobrang pasaway na pizza. Regalo para lahat kasi ayaw niya mag-dress ngayong araw na to at gusto niya mag-surf na kasi pang-prank daw siya katulad ni Luke Hemmings ng 5 Shoes.
Hi, bebe! Happy birthday! Next time na lang yung gift ko, yung Don't Stop EP ng 5 Sauce. I love you, Mama!
Thank you. And to complete our 80 treasures, may call Miss Joyce Romel Cristobal. Joyce is Mariel's best friend and they share a lot of crazy things, secrets, and memories together. Joyce is one that Mariel can lean on every time she has a problem. And Mariel is so thankful that she has Joyce in her life. Her bebe lolong, buko pandan, and tiyanak na sapat.
Good evening to everyone, and of course to my one and only best friend, the birthday celebrant. So, actually, hindi ko alam na saan pa na yan. So, nung bumibili kasi ako medyo nahirapan akong bumili. And mas na-realize ko na habang tumatanda tayo, mas nahihirapan ako regaluhan ka. Kasi hindi ko na alam kung tayo ko ba yung mga ganyan. Actually, meron sa ilalim yung tingnan ko lang. May nangangagat ka dyan eh. May nangangagat ka. Oo nga, meron. Meron nga. Meron pa sa ilalim yan. Meron pa nga sa ilalim yan. Oo. Huwag ka magugulat ah. Pwede mo iharap. Hindi mo binasa yun. Sulat dun sa card. Dahil sa card. Sa card ka. Oo nga. Sa bahay na. Well, actually wala talaga akong message. Hindi ako nag-prepare. Sinusulat ko kanina umaga. Ang hirap i-explain sa English. I swear. Ang sakit sa brains. Well, medyo haba na. Gusto ko lang sabihin na thank you kasi pinayagan mo ako or nandito ako as just thank you for letting me be part of one of your memorable events in your life, which is really unforgettable. So, ituloy na lang natin yung pangarap natin na mag-accounting, mag-CCPA ka, tapos ako mag-engineering. So, sabay tayo bumagsak. Sabay tayo maglalas-las na joke lang. Hindi, yan. Gusto ko lang tuparin natin yung mga pangarap natin. And happy birthday. Yun lang, medyo mahaba na.
Alright, thank you so much. Take shirt.
Picture. Picture.
Okay. So now, another additional practice on today.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, group hug. Para closer. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Now, another additional practice on today's celebration of the Blue is the 18 Blue Bills. Here, we invite each viewer's friends to share a piece of their prosperity to our debutant.
Welcome to Adult Life. Wish you all the best. I hope you will spend this blue bills wisely. Otherwise, you'll take happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Next is another close friend and office mate of Tita Marisa, Mrs. Dosmelinda Quintino. Thank you so much, ma'am. Next is another office mate of Mariel's Tita Marisa, Miss Edna Bornino. Thank you, ma'am. office mate of Mariel's Tita Marisa is Mrs. Telma Ata.
Happy birthday, Mariel. I just wish you happiness and success in your future endeavors. And all I can say is make love the center of your life, and you will make your plans straight.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Next in line is Mrs. Teresa Gatus Rabelas. She is a high school classmate and best friend of the debutant's mother.
Happy birthday. Huwag masyado mo sa work kay mama. At saka yung pagkakapansin mo na lagi mo pinaproblema. Problema ko rin yan ang galing sa gumagala. Then, happy birthday.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Next is Mrs. Ellen Sultan Regalado. She is Tita Lenny for Mariel, close friend of the family, and she plays a big role on Mariel's childhood day.
Happy birthday, Ariel. Tagal na hindi nagkita. Ako pa rin yung tinatawag ko lagi. Lenny. And ikaw pa rin ang forever. Iyan namin. Nang maliit pa, bilog ang mata, bilog ang ulo, bilog ang tiyan. Pero look at her now. She's grown up to be a very pretty and fine lady. Stay happy, blessed, and continue to dream big. Para pa mabuti. Huwag mo na mag-boyfriend. Love you, love ka namin si Tito Berna. Yung gift ko pala, nalito ako, akala ko akong treasure. Kaya, yun na yung gift. Malaki yun, puno yun na soft drink.
Thank you so much. Next is Mrs. Linda Fernandez, close friend of the debutant's mother and their neighbor. Thank you so much, ma'am. Next in line is another neighbor and close friend of the debutant's mother, Mrs. May Magdao. Another close friend of the debutant's mother, Mrs. Nenita Cortez.
Very happy birthday, Mariel. Welcome to the Sorasa family.
Thank you. Next is Mr. Edwin Hagaluyas, one of the close friends of the debutant's Tito. Okay. Next is Mr. Cornelio Siriano, Mr. Edwin Soriano. Okay, next is Mariel's godmother and mentor. On behalf of her Nina Cadenita, may I call Mrs. Josephine De Mesa. Thank you. Next, Mrs. Sheila Maligaya. Next is Mrs. Lorelei Sol.
Dati, may mas malaki pa sa akin. Be good always and God bless. I love you.
Thank you. And to complete our 18 blue bills, may I call on Mrs. Elizabeth Guerrero.
Happy birthday, Yenny. I wish na makatapos ka ng pag-aaral mo. Huwag ka nang pasaway sa mama mo. Mag-aaral ng mabuti, ha? No boyfriend. Ha? I love you.
Tell me you're doing fine. Somewhere
phone. I admit and I see that I admit I feel alone. All my friends keep asking